Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2014 F-150 Limited in blue jean metallic with blue leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has got a 4x4 and a 3.5 liter V6 engine. It's also got a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have power folding mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have memory for 2 drivers. The leather seats also have the limited badging in the back there. Your lighting controls are located here. You have power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, as well as power pedals. The steering wheel, on the face of it, has the dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. When we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that you can toggle through. So I'm just going to get in there for you. And there we go. I'm going to go to the top, gauge mode, trip AB, fuel economy, truck apps, settings, information, and these all have submenus. In the center is your traction control and a 4-quadrant screen. You're seeing navigation up to the right. Top left is phone, bottom right is climate, and you have heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger, and entertainment, which gives you your sources there, and it's a touch screen, as you saw me push AM, FM, Sirius radio, satellite, CD, USB, as well as Bluetooth, stereo, SD card, and AV in. This is also where you're going to see your backup camera view when you put your vehicle in reverse. And then you also have your settings, so you can slide through there for things like voice control, navigation, wireless internet. You've got your CD player just below, hazard lights, volume and tuner for your media. And then you have your front and rear defrost, as well as AC and max AC. And then there's the dual climate control for driver and passenger. So you can do it on the screen or you can touch it. And then down below is a bin. Off to the side is your 4x4 locking differential and integrated trailer brake controller. You have an automatic select shifter, as well as a couple of cup holders. And then on your console in the center here, it says limited. You've got your vehicle identification number, as well as the year and the vehicle numbered right there for the limited edition. And then you can open this up, and inside there's a bin. You can take that right out. Then you've got your AV line in, USB, and SD card, and lots of room down there. Off to the side is a little cubby, as well as a 12-volt, and you've also got your glove compartment. Up above is an auto-dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls, as well as a sunglass holder. You've got the power window that slides in the back, and then when you want some fresh air, simply push, and your sunroof will slide right open for you. Inch wheels, power deployed running board, chrome door handle with keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The handle is chrome, and the tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is located just below that Ford logo. Backup sensors are on your bumper. You have a 4- and 7-pin connector, a trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you want to open up the tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch and pull down. And if it doesn't open, that could be that it's locked, so you can double click your unlock on your fob. Try the latch again, and down it comes. There's lots of room with tie downs in all 4 corners. You also have a tailgate step that makes it easier to get in the back, and on your fob you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. When you're ready to bring it down, simply pull the clip and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. There's an armrest in the center with a couple of cup holders, slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. In the center, a couple of cup holders up above, air vents, 110 and 12-volt. In the body, grab handles. You're seeing hooks on the ceiling, and in the back, access to a sliding power window. Body colored bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, powered mirrors, H.I.D headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.